Hi there, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through how to draw a dog in a few simple steps. So grab a sheet of paper, pencil, and let's get started. So for our dog, we're going to draw the head up over here, and it's going to be sitting in an upright position with its paws down on the ground over here. So to start off, we're going to draw similar to a round shape like this, but what we're going to do is have the head rounded like this, and then as you come down, we're going to have that curve come in a bit and then come back out a little bit wider, as you can see, wider over here, like this, and then come up just a little bit and then back down. We'll kind of mirror the same thing on this side. We'll come in, pull this out, and then around like that. Next step, we'll draw a couple eyes up over here. So we'll do a couple simple circles, and then we'll draw a nose kind of sideways like that. And then we'll draw the body, so we'll start the neck somewhere around here, inside of the head a little bit. All right, right there and there. What we'll do is we'll come down, we'll curve this down like this, and then we'll curve this down like that, and we'll draw a line connecting them at the bottom like that. So the next step, we can add some eyebrow shapes like this for the one and the other side. And inside the nose, we can draw a smaller shape, kind of follows the nose shape. And then for the legs, we'll start about not quite halfway, but just almost halfway from here to here. All right, we'll start about here, and what we'll do is we're going to draw two humps. We're going to draw one that curves this way like this and stops right about here, and then the second one, we're going to start inward of that a little bit, and we'll come out and we'll come back to like the ground line. All right, and if you want to draw the ground line with a ruler, you can do that, or you can just extend these right now like that. We'll follow the same thing on the other side. We'll start about here, we'll come over, and then we'll draw a second one like that. All right, so those are the dog's back legs. Now let's draw the front legs. That'll be right over here. So the easiest thing right now is you take this shape here, and that'll be the peak, the highest point of those two front paws. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw two arches like this, and we're going to leave a little bit of a gap. So if you find the center, okay, somewhere around here, we're going to come to either side of the center like that. All right, so I like to use kind of like some little dots for marking where those would be. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start all the way here for the left paw, and I'm going to come up like this. I'm going to hook over, come back down, and I'll do the same on this side. I'm going to come up, hook over, and back down. Then from these two paws, we're going to draw these little extensions. All right, so from the center of these, on either side of the center, we're going to draw these shapes that come up, and I'm going to curve them just a little bit. See this curve right here? I'm going to curve this to follow this curve here just a little bit like that. And on this side, I'm going to do the same. I curve these down to follow this curve just like that. Now I'm going to work my way up. I'm going to draw a mouth, and I'm going to be inside of these two intersections here. So I'm going to come in from here to about there, and I'm going to draw the mouth just like that. And then let's draw the ears. So we'll start with the left ear, And I'll start right around here. We'll hook over and kind of droop down. Comes back up and connects. And we'll do the same on this side. So start about here. And don't worry if they don't match, it's okay. We'll come over, down, hook back over, and like that. All right, now let's add the dog's tail. So we'll have the dog's tail on the right side here, and it's going to point up towards his cheek area here. So let's start here, and we'll curve up, and then we'll come back down, and it'll stop right about here, okay? We'll come down, and we'll stop right about there. Then we'll add some details for the paws, and these can just be straight lines. So we'll add 2 here, we'll add a couple here, and we'll do the same on the other side. A couple here, and a couple here. All right, and then we will add a dog collar, and this collar is going to be the shape of a bone. So what I'll do is I'm going to draw kind of like these, like the backwards number 3, and I'm going to come over like this, and I'm going to draw like the regular number 3, and then we'll connect those together. And there you have it. We just drew in a few simple steps a dog. Now I'm going to take some pencils, and if you want to render this similar, I'm going to use a couple of charcoal pencils. I have a light, medium, and dark, and I'm going to use these to add some details. So I'm going to start off with the light, and then we're going to go to darker. So what I'm just going to do here is start doing kind of like a shading technique. Be careful not to use your palm of your hand, this area here, and do any smudging, because these charcoal pencils tend to do a lot of smudging. So I'm kind of using my part of my palm here to kind of elevate, so you can kind of move around as well, around the page. So there you go. There is how to draw a dog in a few simple steps, along with some charcoal pencil shading. So hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you next time. See you later.